With everything increasing from interest rates, the cost of living, to inflation, there are times that it becomes harder to keep achieving our financial goals. Many of the financial elite advise living below your means, but there is only so much we can do to impact this side of the equation. Sometimes we need to look into methods for increasing our income. The gig economy makes this easier for us than previous generations. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we want to live our lives our own way. This video covers 3 of the many side hustles out there. Number 3 is an opportunity that you are probably not familiar with, but has the potential to earn great passive income. Let's see how we can increase our income. Side hustles have become increasingly popular as a way to supplement income, pursue passions, or even transition into a new career. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash on the side or aiming to turn your side hustle into a full-time gig, author Noah Kagan writes in The $1 Million Weekend that there is an opportunity for everyone. First up, one that many people have probably heard of, but may not know exactly what it is. Freelancing. Freelancing offers a wide range of opportunities for those with specialized skills. People often underestimate what skills they have that other people will pay for. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a social media manager, there's a demand for your expertise. The popularity of freelancing is due to the flexibility. Don't want to work 9 to 5? That's great. You can choose your projects, set your rates, and work from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have revolutionized the way freelancers connect with clients. These platforms act as marketplaces, where businesses and individuals post projects, and freelancers bid on them or offer their services directly. Don't forget to do your research before you get started. Building a strong portfolio is crucial to stand out in the competitive freelance market. Your portfolio showcases your skills, experience, and previous work to potential clients. Make sure to include a variety of projects that demonstrate your range and expertise. Even though there is a wide range of skills that can be offered through freelancing, there are some common elements needed to be successful. Specialization. By focusing your skills on a specific niche, you present yourself as a specialist or an expert in that area. This will increase the demand for your skills and the rates that you can charge for your time. Networking. By connecting with other freelancers or online communities early in your freelancing journey, you can learn from others about how they do different things. Later in your journey, this networking will help spread your name further to more potential clients. Time management. Freelancing can often be a crowded market. Managing your time efficiently will ensure you can always deliver on your projects. Customer service. This can be the make or break for your freelancing journey. Now, we are not saying that you need to offer fries with every project. Clear communication, staying to timelines, and showing positive responses to your clients' feedback will see them coming back to you again for more work, and even marketing for you by sending more customers your way. Freelancing is not the only opportunity where clients are found online. With the rise of remote learning, online tutoring has become a lucrative side hustle. If you excel in a particular subject or have teaching experience, this could be a great option for you. Like with freelancing, online tutoring offers the flexibility to work from home, set your own schedule, and connect with clients from around the world. Whether you're passionate about math, science, languages, or test prep, there's a demand for knowledgeable and engaging tutors. But it's not just academics that holds demands for online tutors. If you excel in skills such as cooking, music, trade skills, or even computer games, there is a market for you to be paid for sharing your knowledge as a tutor. There are plenty of websites that provide platforms to connect tutors with students in need of support. These platforms handle the logistics, such as scheduling, payment, and communication, allowing you to focus on what you do best, teaching. Once you have decided upon your area of tutelage, determine how you will teach your subject. Not only does every subject need to be taught in a different way, but people learn in different ways. By creating engaging lessons, your student base will continue to grow. This increase in your profile will help you attract more customers and identify you as an expert in the field, allowing you to charge even more for your time. Many people aim to include generosity as part of how they live their lives, and online tutoring offers a rewarding opportunity to make a positive impact on students' lives while earning extra income. With the right skills, preparation, and dedication, you can build a successful online tutoring business that fits your lifestyle and goals. Our last side hustle that we will cover today is a less commonly known one, but can generate passive income: buying and repurposing websites. Buying and repurposing websites is a unique side hustle that involves acquiring existing websites, improving them, and monetizing them for profit. Whether it's improving content, optimizing SEO, or redesigning the user interface, there are numerous ways to enhance a website's value and appeal to a broader audience. Websites like Flippa and Sado offer marketplaces where you can buy existing websites or domain names. Like with every type of investment or side hustle, this will require some initial investment of money and time. But once acquired, you can implement changes to increase traffic, engagement, and revenue potential. As with anything new that carries financial risk, it is important to do your research when looking at buying a website, and make sure you are thorough with this research. What does the website's traffic, current revenue, and expenses look like? Once you know this, how are you going to improve upon them? Is this a fan-based website for a topic that you are knowledgeable in and can provide value with your knowledge? Can you work with someone who has an artistic or design background to help create a more appealing website? But content and design are only one side of ensuring success for your newly acquired website. Improving SEO practices and ensuring your user interface are both at the highest level possible will see increased levels of traffic coming to your website. And lastly, once you have done all of this, how will you scale up and grow the website's revenue? Can you add additional sources of income or increase the levels of income from current streams? Once you have achieved the goals from this website, can you add additional websites to your portfolio? Buying and repurposing websites offers a lucrative and scalable side hustle for those with some digital savvy and a strategic mindset. With careful research, creativity, and ongoing optimization, you can build a portfolio of profitable websites that generate passive income and long-term value. This is only a small sample of the different side hustles many people undertake to increase their income. Leave a comment below if you have a side hustle you have taken up that is helping you kick your goals. Regardless of what side hustle you take on, the key to success with any side hustle is dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Studies show that a common theme to all wealthy people is that they have multiple income streams, often from taking on side hustles like these. Check out this video to see some of the other rules the wealthy follow.